Hello everybody, welcome to Ways of Tonino. You guys looking at Tony right now. I'm a photographer from Thailand, currently based in the US, and I'm not going to talk a lot in this video. I'm just want to show you guys some of my photo sample that I took with my Fujifilm X100S, which is the camera that I own for about a month already. It may help you guys make a decision whether you guys want to buy this camera or just want to get something better. Yeah, please enjoy this photo sample video and don't forget to press like, subscribe and share for people who are the first time watching my video. Yeah, so I don't want to waste you guys' time, so enjoy the photo samples.